The Murdaugh double murder trial has closed out its third week.
And today the prosecution called Murdaugh's housekeeper to the stand. Greg Adeline is joining us from the Colleton County Courthouse with details of that testimony today. Greg?
Well, good evening to you, Dondi and Cynthia. Today we heard from two people who testified that they heard Alex Murdaugh's voice on that video at the kennels on Paul's cell phone at 8:44 the night of the murders. A very key piece of evidence for the prosecution in this case, as placing Alex Murdaugh at the murder scene 5 minutes before prosecutors say that the murders happened. That is a very key piece of evidence. But one of those people who testified to that was Blanca Simpson. She is the housekeeper, or was the housekeeper, at Moselle in 2021, and she talked at length about the relationship that she had not only with the Murdaughs, but especially Maggie Murdaugh. She talked about some of the texts that they shared on June the 7th. And basically, she said that day, Maggie told her that she needed Blanca to fix dinner and said, quote, "Alec wants me back at the house." She said that as housekeeper, she returned to Moselle the following day, stunned to hear that Alec told her that his wife and son were dead. She said that she found things out of place when she got to Moselle: dinner pots in the fridge, Maggie's PJs neatly folded in the doorway of the laundry room. She also testified that she noticed that Alex Murdaugh was wearing a seafoam polo, khakis, and dress shoes on June the 7th before he left for work, and says that he is wearing a different shirt in the now infamous Snapchat video from that night. A few months later, she also said that Murdaugh tried to convince her that he was wearing a different shirt than what he was wearing in that video, a shirt that Blanca said she hasn't seen since. She also said that he told her that he was nervous about that video's existence, but perhaps the most revealing testimony was when she said that Maggie pulled her aside a few months prior to the murders, worried about money. Take a listen.
She was concerned about the amount of money that they were requesting on that lawsuit. $30 million is what she told me. She said she knew the amount of money that they were asking, but she felt that Alec was not being truthful to her with regard to what exactly was going on with that lawsuit. She said, "He doesn't tell me everything."
And financial issues, another topic with another witness. Nathan Tootin, a childhood friend of Paul Murdaugh's and a Walterboro police officer, said that he did some work at one time with PMPED, that is Murdaugh's law firm, and says that on July 4th of 2021, just weeks after the murders, Alex Murdaugh told him he could, quote, "beat the boat case," referring to that lawsuit filed against Murdaugh that Maggie referenced with Blanca. Tootin also saying that he too heard the voice of Alex Murdaugh at the kennels at 8:44 on June the 7th, 2021. He is now the 6th person to testify of that fact. That's the very latest from here in Colleton County. In Walterboro, reporting live, Greg Adeline, WIS News 10.
All right, Greg, thank you so much. And to watch the trial, you can watch it through our streaming services. You can download the WIS News app or watch it through YouTube, Roku, or Fire TV.